Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and basic connections so you avoid chasing phantom faults. Unplug and visually inspect the screen and cables. A loose HDMI or power plug causes most failures. Once done, perform a soft reset by powering down, waiting 30 seconds, and restarting to clear firmware hangs. While it reboots, use a multimeter to verify 12V or specified rail voltage at the input. This tells you whether the problem is power-related or internal and guides the next steps. Once the unit is safe and unplugged, remove the back cover and ground yourself to prevent ESD damage. Do not rush this. You want to inspect the LVDS or EDP connector for bent pins and the LED driver or inverter board for swollen capacitors, since these fail frequently. If available, connect an external monitor to isolate the panel from the board. If the external image is fine, the panel or its backlight circuitry is likely defective. If not, focus on the main board and power supply. You finish by replacing only the failed components you identified, swapping the LED driver, main board, or the panel itself depending on the diagnosis, because full replacements avoid repeated troubleshooting. Make sure connectors seat fully and apply correct torque to screws. Improper assembly can reintroduce faults. After reassembly, run a full test at different brightness levels and input sources. If the screen remains unresponsive, attempt a firmware recovery or use the service manual to follow advanced diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.